Hello everyone. Welcome to Elliot Wave Master Live Futures Trading Channel, where we trade live Monday through Friday. We trade GC live account. We start trading at around 6:15 Pacific Standard Time. So besides the live trading, I'm gonna do a preview of what's to come the following day. See if we could get heads up on the following day. Okay, so this is all for instructional and entertainment purpose only. If you do follow our entries, exits, and stops, is at your own risk. We are not advisors, consultants. We are non-professional. Okay, so let's start looking at the chart. So I usually look at longer time frames to figure out where my support, resistance, and correction areas are. I only use Renko. So on the upside, we have resistance starting at 87.9 and it goes all the way up to 97.3. So market may want to go and visit any of these areas to the upside. Downside, we have support starting at 1920.9 and ending at 1914.1. And then we have a bigger one, a lot stronger. So you may just want to skip this one and focus on 1910.2 all the way down to 1895 even. So that's support area. As far as correction, market needs to come down to 1901.4. Corrections are essential to trends. A market will not start a new trend unless it corrects. It may keep on the trend that's on now, but it will not start a new upside or downside unless it corrects. So we also have one closer to home, and that is a correction to the downside at 1949.2. So not only in the shorter term it needs to correct to 49.2, but the market also needs to close the gap which is open in the real-time trading charts. I'm a gap player, so sometimes I go against the trend to close gaps. Okay, so as far as Friday, from Friday's trading, the market did correct itself, which is this blue line here, so 72.2. So from this area here all the way up, it corrected itself. Pretty much Friday was a sideways market after the gap. It immediately started to correct. It did make a new high, but it was mostly correction. We do have a linear regression channel right here, some ABCs, and then it broke that. Usually when it breaks a channel, you have a big move to the opposite side. So the channel was to the downside, corrected up. But that's not always the rules. It could have broke to the downside too, but it broke to the upside. Looks like we did a impulsive wave, motive wave to the upside here. So I would say that wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it started to correct itself with double zigzags, and they corrected in this area here, and then it was also in a linear regression channel to the downside again, and then it broke out, and it looks like we are on another one. But I'm seeing this clearly. I don't know about you, but hold on, let's open it up more. But no higher highs. It made one higher high and then it corrected, but it should have stayed above 72.5, and it broke that support area, made a lower low, corrected, a lower high, corrected again, or trend to the downside, correction, another lower high, and now I think we're going to see a big move to the downside on Monday. So we have a support area from Friday's low, and that is at 60.3. So we may see buyers in this area here, but that would still not close the gap or reach our corrective line at 49.3. So it may bounce off of this, correct to the upside, and then down again. So this is what I'm seeing for Monday. I can't tell you that the market is going to end negative, but I think it's either going to open up negative already or go negative. There's no major news that I found for Monday regarding gold or minerals or anything else in the market. So this could just be a play on gold itself, or it may use other markets as a fake news to go negative. Market makers are really sneaky, so they lie. We need to be careful. That's what fake outs are. Fake out to the upside or fake to the downside. So they are tricky. All right, so this is what I'm seeing. Let's see if I'm correct. So I'll be looking for shorts if the market is positive. If it's already negative, I'll be going down with the trend. All right, thank you for joining us. If you learned something, please hit like. Please follow our channel, hit subscribe, tell your friends. Come and join us. All right, we'll see you guys Monday, September 1st, 2020.